Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the channel of RAThbun. Today I'm going to show you something. It's not going to be very long. I just got it. I tried it. I'm going to make sure you have your coffee though. Yeah, make sure you have coffee before you look at this video, because you're going to have to drink it fast. I got this little device right here, and you mount both your cameras on there if you have to. And then you can film going and coming. Now I'm going to make a little video right here, and you're looking at it right now, and we'll just see how it is. It ain't nothing spectacular. I'm just checking out this little device. For one thing, when you put both cameras on there, that's heavy. Boom. So you got to have everything screwed on tight. I know that for sure, but we'll just have to check it out. You're going to see that right here in the next clip. We're going to put both of them on there. What I do on my program is I'll run one clip there, one clip down there with the intro, which you're looking at right now. Let's check this out. What we're doing is we're filming us at the same time we're filming where we're going.
Avenue for 2 miles.
Let's see how that works for a few miles. Oh yeah, she's home. Okay, cool. Are you done with that?
I will be in 6 seconds.
Go ahead and send her a message. Well, the first thing you're going to notice right here is the pictures have got to be real small there. I could probably film them with different settings, I think, and maybe figure out how to fill up the whole screen there without having all that black underneath it or on top of it. Also, I'm going to have to figure out a way to make that camera wider. As you can see, Vicky is cut off most of the time, but my camera, when I turn a corner, the camera is on an automatic feed. It will also kind of sway with the action, which is on what I do on the motorcycle. That's why you get to see. I think it turns out pretty good. So this is a little test to see if it works. It works, but you're definitely going to have to mess around with your settings if you want to get both of us all the way in, or whatever you're getting in. Short little video here. That's all I think that's about all I can think of that would need to be changed. You can only use one audio naturally, and because you can't time them both together. It's a new toy. That's about all I'm going to say about it. I mean, it does what it's supposed to do. I wish they swiveled. If each one of them swiveled, I think that would be much better. You can buy swivel adapters, which I do have. Problem with all that is it just makes it so heavy, and it fills up a quarter of your windshield the way it is. Then you add some more stuff to it, it's just going to be too tall. So that's how that thing works. Just wanted to show you guys that. Nothing much more to say than this is a nice little review on this little camera holder. It's not very much money. It works. Just might have to change your settings, or if the camera's farther away, it was right in our face, as you can see. It's $6. Give it a try if you think you can use it. Probably work on different types of cameras other than GoPros. Subscribe to my channel, guys. Thank you.